Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is right to repair. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The Ministry of Consumer Affairs or MCA has set up a right to repair portal. This portal allows citizens to get their gadgets and vehicles repaired without losing their warranty. Now let's understand what is the right to repair. It allows consumers the ability to repair and modify their own consumer electronic devices, where otherwise the manufacturer of such devices requires the consumer to use only their offered services. The aim is to offer a cheaper alternative to expensive replacements to the customers instead of buying new products altogether. Now moving on to its global status. The idea originally originated from the USA. The US Motor Vehicle Owners' Right to Repair Act 2012 required the manufacturers to provide the necessary documents and information to allow anyone to repair their vehicles. The right to repair has been recognized in many countries across the globe, including the US, UK, and European Union. Now moving on to India's status. The Department of Consumer Affairs set up a committee to come up with a right to repair framework on the lines of the LiFE, Lifestyle for Environment. It is an initiative launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. With the right to repair portal, the government aims to protect consumers against planned obsolescence, that is, designing a product with limited life resulting in increasing e-waste. The portal is now live and currently covers 4 sectors: consumer durables, electronic devices, automobiles, and farm equipment. The portal aggregates all the public information related to products, service warranty, terms and conditions, etc. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the right to repair. 1. It allows consumers the ability to repair and modify their own consumer electronic devices. 2. The right to repair has been recognized in many countries across the globe, including the US, UK, and European Union. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.